Let me show you what the new no bar looks like on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Also how to set it up and customize it. So first things first, if you go in your phone app, basically click the watch settings, advanced features. By the way, also we can customize this from the watch, but it's slightly better if you do it from the phone. And if I click the no bar style, you see I can customize basically for the various apps, basically what we actually want to see. For example, for media, as you see, we can only set icon or also text, so maybe the song names and stuff like that. Also you see for other things here as well, you can set it just as you need. Okay, and basically to use this thing, you simply have to use any supported like activity for this. For example, if I start my stopwatch, as you see, basically it's actually running over here, and as you see I can see my remaining time. Also see I can basically return to that quickly as well. Okay, and you see once we basically finish that activity, whatever it is, it also automatically disappears. Also check this. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Also you see we have this new Gemini on this watch as well, which is absolutely awesome. So you see, for example, I have my timer running, and also basically the timer also will get displayed in the no bar. So again, for pretty much most actions. Also, if someone calls you, you'll be able to also basically see and like quickly return to the call. So again, basically the basically whatever the action is, that is basically the most recent basically on this watch, and that is active, obviously active, and yeah, basically so it will appear as that no bar basically, which we can quickly interact with and see some details. Anyway, good luck.